Hi guys, we're going to be talking about how much YouTube paid me for a video that has 7.5k views. So I'm going to run through the analytics, the audience, the engagement, the review, you know all of those things, and then the revenue while you are here. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. So this video has 7,546k views, and the watch time is 311. The subscriber is 171 subscribers. Audience retention 2 minutes 28 seconds, that's 16.9%. There's no key moment, maybe because this video is since last year, right? So maybe that's why there's no key moment or whatever. So that means 56% of viewers are still watching at around the 30-second mark, which is typical. Like that's like the typical thing that you see. So for the reach, that was the overview. For the reach, we have impression of 91.7k impression. The click-through rate is 6.5%. For the views, 7.5, you all know that. So how viewers find this video? The first one is browse features. That means people were searching for the video. So that means the title is searchable. So that means you have to make sure that your titles are searchable. So the other one is channel pages. That means, I think that means maybe from the channel, when people watch your first video, then they go to your channel, they scroll through and say, okay, let me watch this one next. I believe that's what channel pages means. I'm not that sure. For other features, it's like the end screen, info, playlist. That's like other YouTube feature, and then other suggested. The other ones are suggested video, direct or known, whatever, yada yada yada. When people say yada yada, I'm like yada yada yada, that's so cute. So the next one is external sites or apps, and then I'm saying Gmail, and I don't understand Gmail. Did I share this link to anybody to watch on Gmail? I'm not sure. But the external site that is bringing views to this video: WhatsApp, Gmail, Google, WhatsApp Business, WhatsApp.com. I'm confused. I don't know if I shared this link to my WhatsApp, but what's Gmail looking for? Anyways, those are the contents, those are the external site and app that is also bringing reach to this video. So the next one is YouTube search term. I think this one, yeah, I think that's why browse feature ranked first, because listen to this search term. It has just 3 search terms, and the first one is black Arab. People are searching for black Arab. That's me. The next one is feeling demotivated. So I did not tell you guys, this video is from one of my channels. Feeling demotivated. So that means is either you have it as a hashtag feeling demotivated, or hashtag why my video is not getting views, or your title has something like that, because that is what people are searching for and my video is popping up. So now I want to go and check my description and see what hashtag I use. Yes, I'm coming. Let me see. You see, the only place where I put, you know, feeling demotivated is my description. I just put, if you are feeling demotivated regardless of your channel, you should look this other direction. The benefit you stand to gain if you keep posting. And then my hashtag is benefits of YouTube, networking, digital marketing. That's my hashtag. Those are the hashtags I use. But my title, I believe, is why my video is popping up when people search for demotivation, why I'm getting low views, is no views in your video, benefit you stand to achieve posting on YouTube. Because I don't have any tag, just hashtags, so I would not be able to talk on tags, but from what I have. So you see why your title has to be searchable. Do you get what I'm saying? So content suggested this video, if you see now, majority of the content I suggested this particular video are my own videos. Why? Is either I put it as an end screen or an info card or in a playlist. It's not even all of these videos are in a playlist. I created a special video for them on my vlog channel. I created a special video that I talked about YouTube itself. I put everything on that. Let's talk YouTube. So that's why majority of the content you are seeing is my channel got rejected, how much YouTube paid me, how much YouTube paid me for 6K view, do not delete your copyright video. My goodness, majority is my video. So you have to know that using your playlist, using your end screen, your end card helps your video, the video you are posting, and also helps your other video. Because imagine this one that you are trying to post now goes viral and you don't put any end screen, you don't put any info card, it is not in a playlist, the other video will not be able to, you know, get the traction this one is also getting. Because you have to think about when people finish watching that particular video, they want to see more. Is that end screen that is there, they'll click on the next one that is there, click on, that's how it goes. That's how they keep watching all your videos. That's how it happens. And you see playlist featuring this video. Let's talk YouTube. So for the engagement, I already said the watch time is 311, and the average view duration is 2 minutes 28 seconds. For the audience, device type, you have device type, you have mobile, computer, TV, tablet, whatever. The age, the starting range, the starting is 18 to 24 and 35 to 44. And top geographical duration, Nigeria, Kenya, Ghana. Let me click if I still have more. United States, United Kingdom. So those are the 5 countries that are viewing the video. The next is top subtitle, watch time from subscribers. So the funniest thing is, it was quarter of the people that viewed the video that subscribed. Do you get what I'm saying? So some people watched and they did not subscribe. So the amount of people that did not subscribe or watch that video is 91.5%. But people that subscribe, 8.5%. So it's always good to keep posting, keep being on there, keep posting, right? Be consistent. Because I realized that if they don't subscribe from that video, right, they might subscribe from another of your video. And the reason being that if someone watch a particular video of yours, even if they don't watch up to 1 minute and they log out, they went to other people's channel, YouTube will recommend another of your video to them, or even that particular video, for them to continue. So when it is in their forefront like this, even when they are not subscribed, they will one day see a video that they like, and then they will just watch it and subscribe. Or they might just end up fully watching that video that they, you know, stop watching, and they'll be like, it was actually nice, let me subscribe. So put that in mind. That's what I'm saying. So now to what you'll be waiting for, the revenue. The estimated revenue for this video is $12.46, and it all came from watch page ads. So for the CPM, that means how much advertisers pay for this particular video, is $4.61. You know, when I clicked on this video, there was a point where they paid $39. There was a point where they paid, hold up, $17. Look at the $37.61. There was a point where they paid that. It's just that the way it works, when you first post, they will give you a CPM, and the more the video gain traction, the CPM increases and sometimes reduces. I've noticed that, because I noticed that if you have a viral video, if it has a low CPM and it keep gaining traction, they'll keep increasing your RPM. Your CPM is fluctuates. They'll keep, you know, adding to your RPM, because your CPM is fluctuating. It's either increasing or decreasing. But if it's increasing all through, you see that your RPM will also increase. Look at the point they paid $37.91. So this is making me think maybe it's different brands that would actually, oh, this video is already getting traction, well, let me put my ad on this video. Do you get what I'm saying? Because it started out as $4.34, and now it is in $2.32. But what it is showing present is $41.61, and then the RPM that YouTube decided to give me is $1.65. It's $1.65, and $1 times 7.5, that's $12.46. So that's basically how much I was paid for 7.5 thousand views. Imagine my RPM is like $10. Because people are actually making more than that. Anyways, if you enjoyed this video, please do well to like, share, subscribe, because I post consistently talking about YouTube growth, and you would want to learn, or you want to subscribe, because there are a lot of things to learn and to implement on your own channel too. So do well to subscribe. Thank you. Bye.